Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where only the balanced power plan is available on Windows, then please watch this video. So press Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Okay, now in this case, only the balanced power plan was available. I added one more. One thing is that you can create a power plan and create a custom power plan. But if you want the original ones back, then I have a command line for you. Simply copy it. I have mentioned it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. Okay, and now the power saver one is back too. Let us check that. Press the Windows key R key, powercfg.cpl, hit enter and it will be back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.